Hey family, let's address the idea of the lake of fire in the ancient esoteric language so you can unlearn this fear of hell. From a Christian belief, the lake of fire is hell, but that's not what it meant in ancient times. Again, I need to give you some ancient background and connect the dots to the knowledge that you already have. First, understand that the ideas expressed biblically were never meant to be taken literally. The mythology, metaphors, and literary devices are designed to express metaphysical concepts that cannot be fully expressed through conventional language. Second, we get the idea of a lake of fire from the book of Revelations. But the lake of fire was not something souls got cast into for sinning. Originally, the ancient Egyptian concept was the lake of fire is where all souls are born. Esoterically, fire was a metaphor for desire. We still use it the same today. In other words, the lake of fire was the original desire of the Creator to exist and form the universe. Now, this is an extremely condensed version of the esoteric knowledge. Christianity flipped an idea that was originally positive and inspiring into something designed to strike fear in our hearts. As a soul, you don't burn forever, you get to learn forever.